Hi, okay. Yeah. Hello. My name's Matti Digue, and I'm a becoming a freshman this year, so bear with me. I mean, I've never done this before, but I am an actress, so if I improv wrong, I don't have an excuse. So I'm letting them set up, but my play is called Every Snowstorm, there's a happy ending, and it is a romance, so if you're not into romances, so, I hope you guys enjoy it. I don't want to give too much of a plot story because I don't want to give it away because if I did, I would. So, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you all for coming out, and yeah, thank you.
Weather say it's supposed to be today?
Well, it says it's supposed to be sunny with a high of 65 and a low of 60. You know, I've never seen a sunny day so blurry and white.
Welcome to November, Christine.
Welcome to New York, Kate. Well, there goes another potential Fine Kate Soulmate Day.
And what does that day consist of? Or did you just make that up 5 minutes ago?
I'll have you know that's a very real day. And I made it up when I met you, and you confessed to being 26 and still single.
What's wrong with being 26 and single? As I recall, you're 23 and you're still looking for a man to settle down with.
I have dated plenty of men in my time. I'm just not the settling type. I like to explore all of my options. Wait. Now that I think of it, why hasn't any man wanted to settle down with me? I'm a total catch.
Oh, I wonder.
Who could that be?
Especially in this weather.
Mind if I come in and stay a while?
Miles, what the hell are you doing out?
Yeah, you lunatic, it's like a full-on blizzard out there.
Well, I stayed in this morning so I could work more on the story I'm writing for the New York Times. Well, at least trying to have a snippet be published for the New York Times.
Oh, Miles, I know they'll choose you. I've read your work. You're a very accomplished writer.
Oh, get a room, you two. Miles, get to the point. Why were you out in the middle of a freaking snowstorm?
I didn't try to be. My boss called me in to work extra time for him while he goes home and gets all cozy on his lazy little...
Okay, I think we get it. But why are you here?
Well, when I figured my boss wasn't coming back, I locked up and began walking home when it started snowing. And before I knew it, I could barely see a thing. But thank God you were right up the block, so I thought maybe you'd let me stay a while.
Of course, Miles, you can stay.
Thank you, Kate. You're such a great help.
You know, I should really be getting back to my place. I'll be across the hall if you need me.
What's the big rush? I thought you'd stay and relax a while.
Oh, I was. But then I remembered that I had to feed my dog.
Okay, bye to you too.
Last time I checked, Christine didn't have a dog.
You never know with her. Can I get you a drink?
After this day, yes, please.
I thought so. Here.
Thank you. This has been the most unstressful point of my day so far.
Do you want to talk about it?
It's just this story I'm trying to write. I can't decide on how to finish it.
Well, what's it about? Maybe I can help.
Really? You would?
Of course. Let me see.
Here it is. It's a drama. Well, romance. You see, the main character's Clark, and he's passionately in love with Martha, but he doesn't know how to convey his attraction to her.
I see.
But he's a hopelessly romantic type, you know? He's strong, optimistic, but broken.
But what about Martha?
Martha, she's kind, intelligent, beautiful.
So why doesn't he tell her that he loves her?
He thinks no woman would ever love him back.
But how does he know that for sure?
He doesn't.
I have to trust that there's someone out there for everyone. As they say, you're never really alone until everyone else falls off the face of the earth. See? You know I'm right.
I'm just glad you have such an optimistic outlook on the situation.
Yeah. So why don't you?
I try. Let's just say everyone has a different outlook on a problem. especially ones they relate to personally.
Yeah.
You will never believe what just happened on The Bachelor. So Jack picked Emma, even though he said he was in love with Allison. But then Daphne came back and she demanded a re-rose ceremony and... Oh. Oh! Emma's interrupting something, aren't I? You know, I think I hear my dog barking for help. I'll tell you more about The Bachelor later, Kate.
Well, that was awkward.
Yeah. Anyways, so back to my story. What do you think of it?
I think it's beautiful, Miles. It's truly astounding.
Do you have any thoughts on the end? Or, I mean, how I should finish it?
Well, you said he was strong, right?
Well, yes, but
So then, why not portray him as strong and worthy? He should stand up and fight for the girl that he loves.
yeah. Hey, Kate, I really wish we could do this more often.
Hey, look, the snowstorm stopped.
Would you look at that? It certainly has.
I guess this means you must go home now. I don't want you walking out in the dark.
I suppose you're right. Thank you, Kate, for everything.
Anytime, Miles.
I really hope we can do this again.
Absolutely.
Good. Oh, and Kate,
Yes?
I think I figured out what I'm going to do for that ending.
Oh, and what is that?